Hello, good evening everyone. How are you? Hello, 左先生. Okay, BWYSHSSEB Anju. Anju today got a big volumes, huh? Okay, hello Jordan. How are you? HSI all the way rally to 26k. Okay, later we review, huh? 3690 HK. Okay, Rain 10. Okay, Jetta Global US Stocks and Pestech. Okay, later we review and see. Hello Lim KL Lim CEB SB Setia Eco Shop. Okay, no problem. Hello Anthony, how are you? Indicate support resistance for Eon Credit, Well Chip, SKP Shutter. Okay, no problem. Lim Bun One. Okay, LC Titan. Okay, and also the Wentel and My Penang, EG Warren, and MRCB Triran Chengyu. Hello, Kelvin. Okay, review dialogue. Okay, no problem. Okay, so need your help to click, like, and also share this video lah, so we can get more viewers to tune in. And let's warm up. Okay, today contents. Okay, let's warm up with the market outlook, which include the US market, ongoing cryptocurrency, and FBMK LCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review and your plan, whether you're looking for support and resistance. And disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, if possible, yeah, help us to share more lah, at least, so we can get more viewers in our last few session. Okay, so yep, need your help lah. Okay, WCT, Petronas Chemical, and Genting. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's warm up first. US side. Okay, so far so good lah. So far so still bullish. Okay, if you notice on the news side, seems like the tariff things is quite smooth lah. Okay, especially today is with the Japans and Philippines all macam okay already. So Malaysia one is still under negotiation, and I think Europe also under negotiation. So I think the due date was end of July lah. So I guess okay, they might either postpone or make the deals done by August lah. Okay, this is what I think, and maybe this is what market thinks. That's why you can see your Dow Jones also bullish, and especially these Asian session, Europe session, they are more on bullish bias. Okay, so as I mentioned before, as long as above 44k, US market, okay, for Dow Jones is still bullish. Okay, and same to S&P, creating new all-time high again. Okay, I yet to detect any sign of weakening. Okay, they are still keep on creating new all-time high. Okay, so tentatively the support is a 6288 and the crucial level is a 6002 for the S&P. Nasdaq as well. Last week, yesterday, although closing is a little bit bearish, but they are still quite bullish and the price is still above 20 MA. So turning point I think is a 22.5k lah, but tentatively they are still way ahead of this level and they are now trading at 23.1k. So US side is pretty bullish and market is very optimistic lah. Okay, and how about the oil price? Okay, oil price remain weak. Okay, remain weak. So seems like okay, although they are at a crucial support as well. For WTI, they are at the $65. So I give them a buffer until $64. If they break down below $64, we may see more downside on the oil price. Okay, so oil is still, I would say they are still pressured by the bear lah. Okay, still pressured by the seller. And how about the gold price? Okay, for gold price, bullish. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday closing bullish, and tentatively they are at the important resistance zone now, which is somewhere around 3425 and 3450. Okay, this is a crucial resistance zone for the gold price. If they are able to break through this level, we may see another new all-time high for the gold price, and the gold price may rally out further. Okay, if they break above 3450. How about cryptocurrency? Okay, Bitcoin yesterday closing I would say is okay lah. At least they close as at 120k. Okay, but tentatively you can see since 11th of July, okay, when they break above 116k, okay, for Bitcoin actually they are just in the sideway. But okay, sideways and prepare for the next move lah. If they are able to close above 120K, okay, I think easily to revisit the all-time high 123K or even higher. Okay, so Bitcoin is still in the bullish bias. Unless they break down 116K lah, then they might turn down to 110K. Okay, Ethereum as well, bullish. Okay, these few days is more on a neutral note as they already rally up for so many days. Time for them to maybe take a rest. And I think eventually they might retest a 3009 and 4000. But whether they can clear or not, or break through 4000 or not, we need to see. We need a confirmation. Yeah, gold price continue rally. Okay, so far I yet to see any sign of weakening. Okay, if you based on the overall structure, they has been in this sideways zone. Since when? April. Okay, they has been in this zone for about 3 months already. Okay, if happen, they can clear 13450. We may see another rally on the gold price. Okay, we don't know what will trigger either the market collapse, okay, war tension, or the US dollar weakening. Okay, but tentatively it's more on US dollar weakening lah, because we can see the market is quite bullish and no reason for the gold price to go up. The only reason is could be dollar is weakening lah. Okay, at the moment we can see dollar index is weakening. Okay, and back to our FBMK LCI. So okay, so we can see Monday, Tuesday our market is not so good lah. Monday, Tuesday our market is not so good, but today make I would say quite a good comeback. They go above 1525 and tentatively, okay, they are trying to retest a 1530 lah. Okay, is it market go up because of the surprise from our prime minister? Okay, I don't know lah. So okay, just take note by this week hopefully our KLCI can clear, okay, minimum 1530, next level 1540. Okay, this is a crucial level R1 R2 for our KLCI. If not able to clear, I think the structure will be pretty ugly. But if they are able to clear above, then at least still got some hope lah. Okay, from here we can see, okay, at least the low is getting slightly higher. Okay, if they can break through here, which is a previous high, then maybe we can see some comeback. Okay, but if they just come up and continue sell down, then touch and take already lah. Okay, so hopefully our KLCI able to clear off 1530 lah. Okay, so yep, let's go for our stocks Q&A. And yeah, I super need your help to at least share the link and share to your social media or your group chat lah. Or at least we can get more viewers in our last few session. Okay, get more likes as well and get more comments as well. Okay, so I hope that in future we still can continue going on this live session. Okay, so first counters. Okay, BWYS. Okay, quite a new counters. July. So 1 year anniversary lah. Today 23rd of July. Okay. So this one is a 23rd of July 2024. Okay, 1 year anniversary. So based on this pattern, we can see since IPO, couple of days later, they already dropped down, washed all the way down. Okay, back in 28, 29 of May, they has volume. Okay, pump in, sideways. So these 2 days, okay, Tuesday, Wednesday also has similar volumes. But okay, we don't know whether history may repeat itself or not. At least we can see previously, okay, they also got volume pump up. But the next couple of weeks, market is more on sideways mode. So now they also pump out 2 days already. Okay, likely they might go sideways. But okay, this time a little bit different due to they already above 200 MAs. Especially they broke above a 220 level. So for this case, I need you to monitor these two level. Above 220, they are still very bullish looking. Okay, but below 220, don't give out yet. Maybe they might go sideways saja. Okay, but below 20 cents, cantik lah. Okay, not so nice already. Okay, so due to discounters, I would say, okay, just 1 year anniversary, we still don't know. They still haven't showed that how they draw the chart lah. Okay, tentatively, we can see for the past 1 year, they are more on the sell mode. Okay, so based on here, at least what I can see, the momentum is building up. Okay, so at the moment I will put my last defense as 20 cents lah. Oh, below 20 cents, tak cantik already loh. Above 20 cents, I would say still okay, still ada chance. And the next resistance is a 260 and 270. Okay, yeah, momentum all favorable. Okay, but due to new counters lah, we don't know they will play macam mana saja. Okay, so how about the HSSEB? Okay, downtrend since 2024 November. Okay, when they broke below 200 MAs. Okay, recently, okay, we can see actually recently the volume improved lah. Okay, 11 of July onwards lah. Okay, and the more obvious one is on 18 and also today. Okay, 18th of July and today also is a high volume pump in. Okay, so seems like they tested the bottom at 50 cents and today they have a broke up above, or maybe we can say they broke above a 560 level. Okay, MACD boleh tahan. So we can say this is a potential bottoming or potential rebound trade lah. Okay, due to they have the volumes and the price tested 50 cents supported. Today break above 20 MA, break above 560. Short term rebound, yes. Okay, but we don't know how far they can go yet lah. Huh? So tentatively, a more optimistic resistance is somewhere around 750, also nearby the 100 MAs. Okay, and a more immediate one seems like today closely. Okay, come closer lah. We can say back in June, they have a rebound to 640, then they wash down. Today have high volume. Okay, for this case, I would say, yeah, potential bottoming. As long as the price stay above 560, the momentum is still there. Okay, but if they go below 560, then susah sikit lah. Huh? And next things, they need to clear 640. Okay, they need to clear here. Then the baru can go to next level lah, 750. Okay, so yeah, 640, 750 would be your R1, R2, and your support 560. Okay, how about the Anju? Anju today pun boleh high volumes pump in. Okay, but these counters Anju I would say they are more on a downtrending counters. Okay, as you can see the trend since end of 2021 already downtrend until today. So every spike out not really able to sustain that long lah. Usually the pump maybe just a hit and run okay, hit and run, more on hit and run. You can see back in, okay, this is what I worry about these counters. If you look back 13th of May, okay, and they also has a high volume pump out okay, what happened next few weeks? They drop down lah. Okay, this is why I worried the most okay. So from here, okay, what we can learn from the lessons. Okay, we use today's low as our last defense, which is somewhere around 670. Okay, so if the next few days they sideways, maybe still boleh lah. But if they break below 670, no game lah. Okay, means they refuse to go up further already. Okay, so how about the next resistance? Okay, I still need to respect the 200 MA zone lah. Okay, so tentatively I would say it is around 760. Ada volume bullish, price action ada, tapi your overhead resistance 760. Okay, today closing is a 730 level lah. Okay, due to they are still below 200 MAs lah, so I will see this as my immediate target. And the next resistance, okay, here 810, or you can say it's 80 cents. If they are able to clear 760, next level, 80 cents level, okay, R1, R2. Okay, yeah, HSI, forgotten. Okay, let's come back. Wow, super bullish and at the resistance. Okay, if you remember, I think on Monday I do mention this level. Okay, today they hit already lah. Okay, 25,400. Okay, this would be my immediate resistance due to the uptrend channel resistance. Okay, you see here, every time they hit here, they will come back down. So tonight is a night lah. Okay, we see whether they can close above 25.4k. Okay, if happen they can close above firmly with a very nice bullish candle, then yes, maybe you can see next level. Okay, next resistance 26k. Okay, so far HSI is still in the bullish bias lah, I would say. Okay, so 3690, let's see, Meituan short term rebound ada lah, tapi this counter still below 200 MAs. So I will say more on the rebound trade. Okay, momentum ada recently above 20 MA and today above 50 MA. Okay, make sure the price above 125, above 125 should be alright. Okay, above 125 should be alright. Then the next resistance 148 to 152 lah, huh? Maybe I use a gap here. Okay, 148.8 to 152.2 is your next resistance. Okay, if you want to do some short-term trade, yeah, current price 13 something, okay. As long as you know your cut loss, below 125 is your cut loss, then okay already lah. Okay, how about the 1810 Xiaomi? Okay, Xiaomi, for me, okay, they are bullish, they are uptrend, but I don't know how far they can go. Okay, for me, the entry is not so attractive. Okay, due to the risk and reward ratio lah. Okay, for me, this counter, I still prefer if they can come back down lower, maybe $55 or $50 only KIV. Okay, otherwise current price is a little bit at the resistance. Okay. How about the US stock? Jetta, let me see. Jetta Global NYSC. Okay, also I think it's a not considered penny, right? $15. But it's a downtrend. They break down since 2024, December and February. Okay, 2025. Okay, recently, okay, 23rd June ada volumes sideways. Okay, momentum ada. MACD boleh tahan. Okay, support 1388 is your immediate support, and they have a gap here, 1255. Okay, I would say as long as they are above 1388, yeah, they do have a potential to bounce up lah. Okay, short-term momentum lah, tentatively I see. Okay, maximum tentatively the 200 MAs is somewhere around 1840 low. Okay, 1840 would be your immediate resistance. Okay, due to, you can see they also tested not able to clear, so this is why I worried lah. This is your resistance. So if you greedy, you can see under $20 lah. Maybe they will overshoot. Okay, but I would say they are still in a downtrend, and short term wise, yeah, they have a momentum. Okay, how about the Pestech? Pestech is still in a sideways mode. Okay, volume wise, yes, improve. Okay, since April until now, you can see the average trading volumes. Okay, average transaction, okay, improving, especially July onwards also okay. Only these two, maybe last week not so good only lah, huh? Yeah, today and tomorrow, okay, today and yesterday, okay, still okay. The average volumes improve as well. Okay, but these counters, okay, they yet to has a big move due to they are still within the ranging zone. Okay, they are still in a sideways. So we can see the volume improve. Okay, but maybe they are still in a potential accumulation phase. Okay, maybe the big boys thinks that still collect not enough lah. So maybe they try to press the price and make it go sideways. Okay, usually this sideways might last for a few weeks, few months, sometimes few years also possible. Okay, so yeah, for them to have a big move, they need to have a BO. Okay, they need to have a breakout. They need to break above 165 with volumes and able to stay above 165. Then maybe they baru boleh jalan far lah. Or otherwise, they will take time. Okay, so tentatively, I would say they are still in a sideways zone. And so long above 140, the game is still on. Just that you need patience. Okay, we don't know when. Okay, they will come back. Okay, how about the CEB? Okay, CEB, what we can see yesterday, they has a breakout lah. So we can see yesterday, breakout above 295.30 cents, and also they break out above 200 MAs with volumes. And today market open gap up, continues goes up. So looks like the breakout momentum is there. Okay, so tentatively, I will use today's low as our support. Stay above, I think it's still bullish. And take note on your immediate resistance, 350, and I'm more conservative lah. 350, 385, R1, R2. Okay, so yeah, breakout is still valid so long above 320. But if they close below 320, maybe they might retest 30 cents mark. Okay, how about the SP Setia? Ayo, press down sikit lah. Friday still okay, Monday still okay, Tuesday neutral, but today gonna press down sikit. Okay, for SP Setia, take note on 113. Okay, take note 113. Stay above, I think it's still alright. But if they break below, then a bit susah lah. Okay, the momentum a bit potong steam already. Okay, this counter is still below 200 MAs. There's a risk of continuous sell down, but we need a confirmation. Okay, 113. Okay, Eco Shop. Let me see if I can find. Yes, new counters. Okay, let me see. Okay, 23rd May. Okay, so about 2 months like that only. Okay, so far based on the chart I have, okay, the chart I have only 2 months. Still bullish. Okay, still bullish. So from here we can see. I cannot draw too much lah. This one only got a 2-month duration. So at least you from here you can see a so-called triangle. Okay. Yesterday breakout 130. Volume okay lah. Today continues spike out with volumes. Okay, based on here, seems like they still have potential to go up further lah. But yeah, apologize that I only have 2 months data to do analysis. Okay, so I had to I had to do any further analysis. Okay, if we base on the Fibonacci to do a projection. Okay, I think like this baru boleh. Okay, if we base on the Fibonacci to do a projection, your next resistance is somewhere around 138, which is quite approaching. Okay, today closing 135 already ma. Okay, 138. Yeah, we see until 138 and 140 first lah. Next week we still got review session ma. So yeah, next week we see whether they can clear or not. If they can clear, we do another projection. Okay, this one more realistic lah. Okay, so still alright. And yeah, first thing first lah, don't go below 130 lah. Below 130, susah sikit. Okay, how about the Ion Credit? Okay, Ion Credit, I think I still remain my view as a support at 5 ringgit and 490. Okay, yeah, even though they do have a support around 508 like that. Okay, actually yesterday got a mini hammer like candle lah. Okay, volume boleh tahan. Okay, today market already spiked out. They tested the resistance zone, but by end of day, they kena pressure down. Okay, they kena pressure. So based on here, looks like maybe just a rebound leh. Okay, so resistance remain the same, 522, 535. Okay, so this one I would say they are still weak. Okay, maybe next week we can review again and see how it's going lah. Okay, and how about the well chip? Okay, well chip okay, I would say not too bad. Okay, high volume power on 9th of May, then market sideways, and today another high volume, but the closing, okay, they close at 120. Okay, currently the the resistance is 120 lah. Maybe I will put down here. Okay, so 118 is your immediate support. Okay, next resistance 127, 135. Okay, 127, 135 is your R1, R2. Support 118, 110. Okay, so based on this one, I think, yeah, they do have some potential lah. Okay, they do have potential. Okay, as long as they don't go below 111, should be alright. And how about the SKB shutter? Okay, high volume on 18th of July, but how to say, SKB shutter is still in the downtrending leh. Okay, if you see, look into the 200 MAs, they are like macam ini leh. Okay, not so strong lah. So yeah, I believe even they can go up, also a bit struggle. Okay, so based on here, let me see. Okay, your resistance 790, 830, 840. Okay, 790, 830, 840, and the support 720, 70 cents. Okay, 720, 70 cents. If they break below 70 cents, next level is a 630 already lah. Okay, how about the LC Titan? This one is still okay. They are still trying. Volume 14, 17 of July. Okay, these few days they also got try to push the price. Okay, average volume I would say acceptable. Okay, so for this LC, they if you want to fight on, need to see whether they can clear 60 cents or not. Okay, if happen they can clear above 60 cents, maybe you can see until 710, 730 level, or maybe I can say 70 cents level lah, more conservative a bit. Okay, so you can see the overall structure, they pump up, resisted by 60 cents, come back down again, now test again. If they can clear above, then you can see 70 cents, 730 lah. But if they not able to clear 60 cents, they may come back down to 510 like that. Okay, so your R1 will be the 60 cents and R2 70 cents low. Okay, how about the Ventel? Ventel still okay. The only concern is here, they have a huge rejection when the price try to break through 340. So take note, 340 would be your hard resistance, okay, your immediate hard resistance. And the next one, maybe I will put the extreme level, 360. A bit, if you think a bit near, you want to ignore this one, 360 also can. You can put at 40 cents. Okay, 40 cents also is one of the major resistance. Okay, I put 360 due to here lah. Okay, also they have an extreme rejection at 360. Okay, so yeah, 340 is your immediate one. Hopefully they can clear lah. Once they clear, I think 360 should be no problem. Then a more major one is a 40 cents level lor. Okay, so this one, if speaking about the game still on or not, 315 lor. Above 315, I think still at a chance lah. Wow, why Facebook so little people? YouTube still okay. YouTube. Yeah, Facebook help me share share more. Okay, EGWD right? So I KIV on the, how to say, I review on the mother share first. So far the mother share is still alright lah. I would say no problem at all. So for the mother share, I need you to take note on the 121 level. Okay, this is a resistance to take note. 121, 122 is a resistance for EG. Okay, if they can clear above, I think we may see more bullish momentum lah. If they resisted, then continue lembut lah. Okay, EGWD. Let me see if I can find. Okay, Malaysia. Okay. Yeah, because too many worldwide stocks already. Okay, the Sun 2028 still okay lah. Now 2025 only, still got 3 years. Or we can say to be more secure is still got 2 years lah. Okay, so the Sun is still okay lah. Still okay. Follow the mother loh. Okay, follow the mother. Mother okay, Sun okay punya. For the Sun, 10 note on 370. Okay, 370 is your resistance. Okay, once they clear 415, 425 is your next resistance. Okay, how about the MRCB? Okay, MRCB still okay lah, no problem lah, huh? Friday pump out, Monday, Tuesday more on the small profit taking activities. Today another comeback with volumes. So 10 note 535 stay above. I think they are still pretty bullish. And 10 note 575 60 cents as your immediate resistance. Okay, so MRCB okay lah. 3 Ren, not much volumes. Okay, the last time they has a high volume was 15 and 16 and 17 of July. Okay, so these 3 days more on neutral note lah. Okay, for me, these 3 Ren, okay, if you draw the line macam ini, they macam doing a triple bottom, right? Okay, from March until now. Okay, now July, end of July already, almost August already. Okay, this one, the shape yet to come up. Okay, so for them to have a big move, they need to break out lah. They need to break above 290. Okay, once they break above 290 or best if they can go above 30 cents. The triple bottom will become a valid pattern. Okay, now it's just forming and we still don't know whether valid or not yet. Okay, once they can break through, close above, then this is a valid triple bottom. Then the market got chance to do a reversal lah. Okay, so based on here, I think yeah, they do have potential, but I need a confirmation. Okay, I cannot blinding say they are good. Okay, without any confirmation lah. Oh, this one Chen Gil. Okay, a bit the gear. This one okay. Monday, I think Monday I just reviewed, right? So I do mention they attempt to break out, but not successfully. So you can see Tuesday, Wednesday, actually nobody inside already. Okay, volume extremely low. This one remain weak. Okay, I would say still weak. Okay, how about the dialogue? Dialogue still alright lah. Okay, even though the volumes you can see not much like that lah. Huh? So Friday, Monday, and today volume ada naik sikit-sikit, tapi tak obvious lah. Okay, so for this case, okay, tentatively 10 on the 200 MAs as your immediate resistance. Okay, which is a 170. Okay, and 176. Okay, this would be your R1, R2. Okay, 10 on these two level as your resistance first. Okay, if they can clear above 176, then you can see 190 as your R3. Okay, short-term momentum is building up, but due to they are still below 200 MAs, so I need to see whether they can clear above firmly or not. Okay, EcoShop we covered already. We go for WCT. Today nobody asked UWC. Okay, if got later we review. Okay, if want to know, then you put the UWC name lah. Okay, how about the WCT? 10th of July volume pump up. 18th of July volume pump up. Okay, W when they wash down, the volume is low, so I would say it's still alright. So these are WCT. Maybe 10 note on 740. Okay, one thing we worry about is they macam struggle at 200 MAs leh. Okay, the longer they struggle here, the chances for them to come back down is there lah. Okay, but the confirmation is 740. Yeah. Okay, 740. Okay, so 10 on this level. Closing price above, still okay. Closing price below, not so okay. Okay, they might come back to 695. Okay, so yeah, stay above. I would say the momentum is still pretty strong. Okay, so how about the Petronas Chemical? Neutral lah, still okay lah. Okay, they have made a comeback on Thursday, last Thursday. Friday neutral. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, nothing much. Okay, not much volumes. Okay, from here, what we can see, previously they sell down here, rebound, sell down again, tapi they rebound. So we can see the low is getting slightly higher. So the short-term momentum is building up, but not yet confirmed lah. So they still need to clear these two crucial level. One is a 350, second is 365. Okay, they need to clear R1, R2. Okay, once they can clear these two levels, stay above, yeah, short-term momentum will be more firm. Okay, and yeah, maybe got chance to revisit 4 ringgit or even higher. Okay, so I would say, yeah, they do have potential lah. Okay, just that not yet. Okay, no confirmation yet. Okay, but if they go below 3 ringgit, sorry sudah tak cantik below 3 ringgit tak cantik already. Okay, so how about the Genting? Okay, Genting also, you can see since March until now the bottom they tested was somewhere around 3 ringgit lah. So you can see, okay, they macam form a bottom around this zone already. Okay, macam no matter what bad news come okay, the bottom is somewhere around 3 ringgit lah. Okay, yeah, of course they do overshoot down to 2.9 something, but you can see eventually they will rebounded, go back above 3 ringgit. Okay, so from here at least we can know, okay, 3 ringgit could be their potential bottom. Okay, so recently they also have built out a next support at somewhere around 308. So based on here, I think they do have the potential bottoming. Okay, even though this counter is downtrending lah. So now maybe we are looking for potential short-term rebound. Okay, in the making lah, maybe So how about the MCE Men? Okay, this one okay. Okay, MCE Men. I think during Monday the support I mentioned was somewhere around 5 ringgit lah. Okay, now yeah, if you don't mind, 5 ringgit plus minus plus a bit I think okay, still alright. Okay, because they has been in this zone for a couple of months. Recently they broke out above 5 ringgit. Okay, today almost hit lah, but not really touch 5 ringgit. Okay, so yeah, if they have some small sell down near 5 ringgit, okay, you can KIV. Okay, so yeah, I cannot give a exact entry level lah, but I can give a agak guidance where is the zone I think okay, and yeah, hopefully they stay above 5 ringgit, then the overall structure I think is quite okay lah. Okay, Rain Hill. Rain Hill also okay. Okay, they do have a very, very strong breakout back then, but also come with a rejection now, a profit-taking activities. So from here you can see they have a very strong run up now, more on the profit-taking activities, and the selling pressure started to slow down lah. So most likely they will go sideways macam ini. So make sure the price above 130, then should be okay lah. Today closing about 134 ma. So yeah, you can agak know where's your stop loss. Maybe okay, make sure they are above 130, then okay already lo. Okay, how about the pavilion? Let me see if I can find pavilion from here. I think cannot. Cannot lah. PAV. Pavi. Tak ada leh. Okay, let me know the name maybe I don't know how to spell. Okay, for instance the pavilion I found is from SGD Okay, let me know the full name. Okay, how about the SSB8? Okay, so far so good SSB8. Okay, the best chance was last week. Okay, when they break out 50 cents lah. Okay, I think last week we just reviewed this one, but they not really give you a chance to maybe enter at 50 cents lah. Okay, they already rally up, retrace today, another rally up. So tentatively they are flying halfway already lah. So for me, the risk and reward wise tak begitu attractive lah. Okay, but if you want your immediate support, okay, from here we can see they just break out above a 540 with volumes. So from here we can see your immediate support is a 540 lah. Okay, this is a short term support resistance. So if they go below 525, means the momentum here, you can see here, pump out, retrace, pump out. Okay, if they go below 525, means they already broken down here. So short-term momentum tak cantik already. If they go below 525, then maybe you need to replan again when the price come back 50 cents level. Okay, so but if they retrace 540, somewhere around there, sideways, the momentum is still there. Okay, so yeah, if they U-turn over, then the momentum sudah tak cantik lah. Okay, so based on here, I think okay, and your next resistance is maybe 585, 60 cents, 640, R1, R2, R3. Okay, E and O. Ayo, disappointed E and O. Okay, they broken down below 865, broken down below 855. A bit disappointed. Okay, even though they got the support at the 835 lah. Okay, so for this E and O, if by tomorrow, okay, they still unable to recover back above 855 I think tak begitu cantik for short term lah. Okay, if they are able to recover above 855 and above lah best, then okay, then still alright. So how about the Axiata? Axiata is still okay, but if we based on the bigger pictures, okay, when I draw this one, I think need to redraw again. Actually, they already broken out. Consider okay. Okay lah, they all broken out above the downtrend channel resistance already. So no longer valid. Okay, still okay. Okay, let me zoom in and see. Okay, high pump out. Okay, very, very good rally on 11th of July. Then market sideways lah until now. So tentatively, maybe take note on 245. Stay above, still alright. Okay, stay above 245, still bullish. Okay, short term is still okay. And your next resistance, 280. Okay. Oh, today macam I didn't put any watch list. Okay, either they fly a lot or not really has a very good immediate opportunity lah. Okay, so Samaiden, watch out on your resistance 130 and 133, which is here. So tentatively, the volume is diminishing. Okay, measure above 123 lah. Okay, here we can see the volume is getting lesser and lesser lah. Okay, most importantly, they don't break down 123. Then should be okay lah. Maybe they will take some time lah. Okay, next resistance 130, 133. If they can clear, here due to here, if they can clear above, then you can see 138 already lah. OMH. Okay, this is a very illiquid counters. If based on the chart wise, okay, I will straight away ignore these counters. Okay, I will skip these counters due to the liquidity, and you can see the chart is very ugly lah. Based on the, you can see the transaction confirm the buy sell queue is very far away. Okay, so usually if we based on the chart we will ignore these counters unless you know the company fundamental, something like that. Okay, then baru boleh tengok lah. Otherwise, not worth at all. Okay, and moreover, this counter is downtrending counters. Okay, zoom out. Wow. Okay, you can see since end of 2021 they downtrend until today. Okay, now already 2025 lah. Like they already downtrend for about 4 years like that already lah. Okay, tentatively short term, yeah, indeed they do have a short term rebound opportunity lah. Due to recently they have some rally up, and take note on the very crucial resistance, which is a 955, 960. But for me, this one, unless you know something lah, otherwise susah sikit. Okay, HSS EB just have covered already. So yeah, it's speaking about the chances. Yes, rebound. Yes, short term. Yes, short term only lah. Because long term they are still in a downtrending. Okay, how about the GCB, grilled chicken burger? Okay, I do mention on Monday 110 is a crucial support for them lah. Okay, yeah, today volume improved. They not able to clear 120 lah. Okay, if you very interested with these counters, yeah, you just need to make sure they don't break down 110. Okay, break down, confirm no game. Stay above, yeah, rebound chances is there. And they also need to clear 120 baru ada story lah, huh? No clear, no story. Okay, comment on MN Holding. Still okay. Okay, still okay. So if you entered earlier, I think still okay lah. Even though you are short-term trader, or they are still okay. Okay. So okay, for short-term trader, make sure they are above 150, then okay already. Okay, mid to long-term holder, no problem. They are still in a very good uptrending mood lah. Okay, but if you are looking for EP, no lah. Huh? So current price not so attractive. Okay, not so attractive for trading as well. Okay, how about the MC? Okay, this one covered already lah. So as long as they are somewhere in between 515 to 5 ringgit level, then you can KIV them lah. Okay, I don't know where is a good exact entry. Okay, but the range, okay, you can agak lah. Okay, review CMSB. Okay, CMSB, I think during Monday I do mention they have a good breakout above 128 so far. Tuesday and Wednesday, still okay. Okay, they are still above 128. So I will say the breakout is still valid lah. Okay, so next resistance 140, 146. Okay, Mala off. Okay, even though yesterday has a rejection, but today made a comeback, recovered 90 cents. So from this incident, okay, we know 880 is their support lah. Okay, stay above 880 should be alright. And thin on your next resistance 960. Okay, 960. Okay, how about YTL Power? Okay, still okay. Okay, not too bad. Okay, still okay. So YTL Power right down, okay, so long above 4 ringgit should be alright. And tin up 444, 455, okay, would be all. R1, R2. And UUE, also okay lah, huh? Above 830, 820, I think still okay. 820, 830, stay above, still okay. Okay, next one, KTI. Let me scroll down and see. Like and share. Yeah, need your help. Like and share. Yeah, I hope that our last few sessions we can get more likes lah. At least memorable right? Okay, KTI Landmark. Okay, this one 375. They are still in the zone huh? Still in the zone But if you ask about chances, I would say yes. Okay, at least this counter is still in the uptrend. Okay, just that you need to expect what are the chances. Okay, during this before 2025 they also okay lah, consider uptrend but after during the 2025 you can see these counters is still in a sideways only. Okay, but you can see the prior trend is uptrend, now is sideways. So based on here, the chances for them to continue to go up is there due to they are still in uptrending mode, right? So for them to have a big move, they need to clear 435, 440. Okay, then baru ada chance can go up lah. Otherwise, continue sideways saja. Okay, so if speaking about worth to KIV or not? Yes, yeah, worth to KIV lah. Okay, how about the Systec? No lah, no game yet lah. Okay. Yeah, don't have any very even though they has volumes, they has volume, but not until very attractive or very solid signal, not yet. Okay, not yet. Okay, Ecovest. These few days are the volumes they macam heard something okay, 18, 21st, 22nd, and also today high volume lah. Okay, tapi Okay, one thing they're not able to make it is breakout. Okay, yeah, it is nice. Okay, but you can see last year this one is a last year September, November. This one should be somewhere around August. You can see they macam not able to clear 40 cents. Today try again, not able to clear 40 cents. Okay, so for this case, you can wait. Either wait for the more solid breakout above 40 cents, you do a breakout trade, then you can see 440, 460. Another way is, okay, if they are not able to clear 40 cents, means what? Maybe they will come back down low, right? Come back down to test a support lah. Okay, where is the support? I think somewhere around 375, watchable. Okay, based on the structure point of view, I would say, let me see again. Okay, structure point of view, I am slightly bullish on them. Okay, so this one, maybe we can put in the watch list lah. EcoVest, wait for BO or wait to retest support. Okay, so okay, next one is a B Toto. I thought it's a B Auto. Okay, I don't know you want a Berjaya Toto or you want a this one is Sports Toto so I assume you want a B Auto lah Burmas Auto. Okay, so okay, recently the volume improved 13th of June onwards the volume macam come back tapi they are still in a downtrending lah. So you can see back then they also macam form a base already tapi they continue whack down. Okay, so these counters basically they are in a very deep shit lah, I would say. Okay, the price wise so now what I can comment is the recent support is okay, they found a recent support is somewhere around 740, 710. Okay, so long above 710 maybe is a potential bottom, but if they break down, you need to chabut already lah. Once they will, once they break down 710, they might have more downside. Okay, so CEB just now covered already. Yes, they actually yesterday they made a comeback lah. You can see yesterday they has a high volume breakout 290 30 cents level, and today continue gap up. So if you go to chase, of course there's a risk lah. So I guess better wait for some retracement better. Okay, for those who entered earlier, you can watch out on your next resistance already 360 385 like that. Okay, Kinergy Kawan Energy. Okay, recently has a raise up more on sideways mode tentatively. Okay, it's speaking about the chances, I guess yes. Okay, just that currently they are in the sideways and make sure they are above 720 should be alright. Okay, with current price with current price. Okay, how about the Pharma Niaga? No game okay lah, still okay lah. Okay, Pharma Niaga, they has a good breakout on Monday. Yes, okay. Tuesday neutral, today neutral. But I would say the breakout is still in a solid mode. Okay, still very solid. You can see they already sideways for a couple of months. And very good breakout. Now maybe they will go sideways macam ini lah. Okay, so 20 cents is your immediate support. Stay above, I think the the momentum should be pretty bullish lah. Okay, but if they go below 20 cents, most likely susah sikit lah. Okay, Eon and Eon Credit. Eon Credit covered already. We go. Salah. Okay, we go for this one. Okay, Eon today has a high volume. They attempt to break out above 140, 145. But you can see they open gap up. They push all the way up to 145. But by end of day, the price gonna press down to 140. So for me, based on this price session, they are not so strong. Okay, they are not so strong. So we see next few days whether they can go above. Okay, maybe 143 lah. Okay, then maybe at a chance. And I hope that for them to make a comeback, they need to go above 145. Okay, then would be better. Otherwise, looks like a resistance for me, looks like a shooting star for me. Okay, UUE we covered already. We go for the Pekat. Okay, Pekat more on the sell mode lah. Sell mode is not like no good lah. Okay, so if we let me close all the line. Okay, if let me explain with what happened back in May. Okay, April, May. You can see when they go up too much, they need to retrace down. Okay, go up too much, need to retrace. Okay, now also, okay, they also go up too much already, so they need to come back down. Okay, this is how the market keep on going up healthily. Okay, they also need to wipe off those maybe contra player, impatient player, and for those retailers who bought at the high price, okay, they need to clear them off. They cannot tahan already, then they come back down, buy at a high, cheaper price, and continue pump out lah. But so far, if we base on the 20 MAs, the price is still above the. Okay, you can see recent retracement. So far, they come back to the 20 MAs lah. So now they are still a bit distant from the 20 MA. Okay, so let me put the line on. Okay, so should be 145. Okay, stay above. I think the short-term momentum should be still alright. Okay, if you in, then okay lah. Okay, if you just plan to in, I will say the risk and reward ratio, okay, tak begitu cantik loh. Penta still okay lah. Okay, Penta above 358 should be still alright. And take note on your next resistance 430. Okay, this Penta they just break above the 200 MAs. So far they are above 200 MAs for at least couple of weeks already lah. So above 330 should be alright, and your immediate support 358. Okay, so still okay lah. And how about the Kim Lun? Okay, golden tire, is it? Jing Lun. Okay, so this one is still okay. High volume power 11 and 14 of July. Market sideways. Another volume on 21st of July. Okay, still okay lah. Okay, this Jing Lun. Okay, they already broken up above 200 MAs. Price. Okay, price above 125. Momentum should be fine. Next resistance to break 140. Okay, once they clear 140, should be cantik lah. So this one, I think not bad lah. Still okay. Okay, how about the KGB? Let me look into the mother first. Okay, mother a bit topish. Okay, here is a bit resistance zone at the moment. Just like what I mentioned just now, the price is a bit far from the 20 MAs lah. So maybe a little bit overbought. Maybe they need to have some retracement. Okay, WA here only WB leh. Okay, I assume it's WB lah for the K2026 leh. Next year expired leh. So need to be careful sikit lah. You need to watch out on the expiry date lah. Okay, if the warrant okay, now they say it's a 2026 I don't know which month. Okay, if the warrant is about 6 months close to the expiry, need to be careful sikit lah. In case kena trap later, susah sikit lah. You can use a 275 as your how to say trading stop lah. Okay, but for me, you need to know when is the expired date. Okay, you don't hold until last minute. Later become toilet paper. Okay, so Ammo is still okay lah. Ammo especially okay. They has a good breakout on 17th of July. Sideways 3 days. Today another high volume pump up. So looks like they form a good support already. Okay, 515, 535. Okay, next resistance 565 lah. So AGMO is still very good. Okay, so next one, BBB. Let me see. BBB Group. Wow. Yeah, do nothing lah, huh? Continue drop Let them drop Okay. Lucky thing we didn't do anything I think we do review somewhere around 10 ringgit level now already 930. And we still yet to see any sign of we still haven't see any sign of rebounding or what. So yeah, let them drop until as low as possible until we see some reversal signal. Otherwise, not worth to keep on put money into a downtrending counters. Rapid Rapid discounters, if you look into the previous trend, they only pump and dump leh. Okay, even though today got volumes lah, right? If come up, they also do a pump and dump only. So you need to be very quick lah. Okay, for me, I'm not so comfortable with this kind of counters lah. Okay, how about the EPB in liquid counters? New counters some more. August 2024. Okay, almost 1 year anniversary. Okay, so this one is very illiquid leh. Okay, if I base on the chart I cannot read much information from here. Okay, unless you know the fundamental things, you think this is a good investment, then okay, maybe you can consider when the price near 450. But if you just purely based on trading, I cannot see anything lah from here. Okay, how about the SFP? SFP Tech still struggle, okay, and they already broken down below 20 cents leh. So still not good lah. Okay, we need them to at least go back above 20 cents. If can, go to 210 and above. Okay, at least try to prove us that this is a support they want to get supported lah. Otherwise, susah juga. Okay, so okay, let me see. What is this? NTDU. Okay, I assume it's a REIT. Okay, if this is a REIT, I only have a few days chart. I cannot read anything lah. Okay, so let me see SGD. So I assume you want to see the Singapore stocks. Okay, just now the NTDU only got few days price session. I'm not able to do any analysis. Okay, new counters are very hard to read anything. Okay, they broken up above the resistance. Okay, this is a pretty bullish counters, I would say. Okay, so yep, still in a good shape. And your next, they also hit resistance 136 already. So maybe I need to do a bigger projection. Okay, based on this one, 147. Okay, very good. Okay, they are still in a very bullish mode, and the price is quite far from the 20 MA lah. So maybe I will use a 130 as a trading stop. Stay above 130. The momentum should be still good lah. Okay, how about the LHN? Also SGD. Also super bullish. Okay, only that maybe we can say they are a little bit overbought. Okay, maybe they will come back to meet the 20 MA. Okay, just like that only. Let me see. Okay, nothing much I can read from here lah. Yeah, those target want to hit also hit already. Okay, so maybe I can draw like that. Okay, $1. Okay, or 990 would be your next resistance. But these counters, I think you can just do a trading stop. Example, you can use a 830 as your support. Okay, break below, maybe you can protect some profit. Okay, just like that only lah. Okay, CBHB. Okay, high volume pump on 17th of July. So far, market is still in a sideways mode lah. But I would say, so long above 275, yep, still alright lah. How about the SNS? Okay, SNS they haven't break below 555, 550. I think it's still alright. Okay, stay above still okay lah. Next G, I think is Here lah, this one. Okay, next G already at the resistance. Okay, 520 already lah. So I think I explained before, 520, 545 is the resistance zone. Okay, minimum protect sikit lah. Take some partial also okay. Mala off okay. Today make a comeback. So above 880 should be good. Okay. UWC. Okay, UWC. Let's see. Okay, UWC previously macam lembut like that soft like that tak boleh macam ini tapi still okay you can see today they has a volumes. Okay, price action pun ada. Okay, but we don't know they will continue lembut or not lah. Just like here, they keras for one day only then diam already. Now keras again. Okay, we don't know whether the next few days they will continue sideways or not. Okay, but I see they macam got the heart to come back lah. So for this case I will say so long above 2 ringgit they are still worth to KIV lah. Okay, and yeah, of course you need to take note on the 200 MA's resistance, which is currently around 234. Okay, so this one watch list of the day as well lah. SP Toto. Okay, later. Okay, SP Toto. Sports Toto 60 million already right? Okay, don't know later when the media keep on promoting this okay, then maybe they have a short-term sentiment comeback Okay, momentum ada, volume ada. Okay, even though the chart is very ugly lah, but this IFCA, at least we can see today has a volume at the 280. Looks like they have some rebound opportunity. Okay, just rebound not that go back to where they belongs Okay, maybe just a rebound. Tentatively we more conservative lah. We see until 320, and if they break below 280 no game lah, the rebound sudah habis. Okay, how about the sense of they also abang adik right? Yeah, no wonder the volume also ada sikit-sikit. Okay, just that they yet to show their power lah. Just that at the moment the volume is building up. Okay, momentum is building up. Just that they haven't give us a clearer confirmation. Okay, but based on the momentum, okay, they slowly building up. Okay, so I think yeah, worth to monitor so long above 185. Okay, SP Toto. Okay, let's go back to the Sports Toto. But Sports Toto boring juga. Okay, you can see since last year May until now, this Sports Toto they just trading sideways leh. Okay, about recent performance is what we can see, at least July onwards, they has made a comeback lah. Okay, they has up and then now retest a support. So I need to redraw a bit the lines lah, otherwise a bit complicated. Okay, so take note 144 to 140. Okay, so 144, 140 is a zone. If you're interested, current price 144, okay, boleh tahan. With your cut loss, okay, below 140 lah. Okay, below 140, then most likely they're back to square already lah. Okay, hello Patrick, good evening, long time no see. Okay, CEB just now we covered already. So what I can say is if already entered, yeah, congratulations. And if you're looking for the next resistance, yeah, I would say the more major one is somewhere around 385. Okay, because you can see back then not able to clear lah. So it's about 385 until 40 cents lah. But I will put at more conservative level which is 385 is good enough for me. Okay, how about the Lion Industry? Oh, Lion. Harimau pula. lion or cat. Okay, we can see previously this lion they also has a high volume macam sudah mau tapi bukan. Okay, they wash down again. So today also has a high volume comeback. Okay, we don't know lah whether they want to clear or not. So based on previous how to say previous experience, okay, at least from here we can say okay. From here we can see okay, previously when they push up, they kena resisted here 220, 225. Okay, this time we also need to see lah, if the price able to come back here, whether they will get resisted or they can clear. Okay, if they get resisted here, I think the chances for them to continue wash down is there lah. Okay, but if they can clear above 225 firmly, okay, maybe the next resistance you can see until 260 lah. Okay, but throughout the years, you can see this lion industry they also macam one night stand, two night stand like that sudah hilang punya lah. So I will still put a very low expectation on their performance. Okay, this is what I will expect lah. Okay, maybe they will just come for a few days then hilang already. So for me, I rather don't want to involve lah. Okay, just now I covered this counter already. Prop next, right? Now the line is still here. So take note on your next resistance is a 147. And these counters, I would say they are quite overly bought and super bullish. Okay, but yet to show the sign of weakening lah. So tentatively, we watch out on 147, 154 as our next resistance. And if happen, okay, they didn't hit 147, but they suddenly U-turn, okay, go below 130, maybe not so nice already. Okay, maybe short term they will wash down further to maybe 120 level lah, just like that. Okay, so yeah, thank you everyone. Okay, today overrun a bit also. So yeah, I see YouTube has more people. But the Facebook side, why so little people? Only less than 20%. Okay, so yeah. By the way, I also need to thank you, Sifu, for having me here. And this is our last 2 to 3 session. Okay, so next week will be our last week for the live session. So if you can, please come and support us. At least give us more likes and support lah. So I hope that after Sifu restructure, we still can continue to go live again. Okay, so and so if you yet to download Sifu apps, you may go and download and support their apps as well lah. And also if you need a live chat, you may subscribe to their services. And also if you yet to join my Telegram channel, okay, please go and screenshot this QR code and scan to join lah. So at least any announcement I will update in the Telegram. Okay, so next week is our last 2 session already. So yeah, please do come and support us. And if can, please share the video more. Okay, at least we can get more subscriber by end of this month. Okay, so that's all for tonight and see you next week. Thank you everyone.